Hey, so in this, I'm going to walk you through how we connect a WooCommerce store. So inside of Warehance, you're going to want to go back to your setting. You're going to go stores, and then you're going to say, okay, I want to add a WooCommerce, and it's going to ask you what client it goes under. You can give the store name, so I'm going to just name it my WooCommerce. And then these three fields are what we need to get from WooCommerce. So the consumer key, if you're on your homepage in WooCommerce, you can go under WooCommerce and then, oops, I moved out of the way, then under settings. Give this a moment because it's slow. And we'll go to advanced and then REST API. Once you're in here, you can click add key and you can give it a description and a user permission. And then when you click generate, it's going to give you the consumer key. I guess I will go ahead and I'll just make one. So I'll do this is what will be called Warehance test key. We're going to put, it needs to be read and write. We're going to generate an API key and it'll give you the consumer key and the consumer secret. So you would plug these into here as you would expect. And then the URL host is just going to be this, whatever your URL is from here. And I already have this connected, but I would click connect and then it would connect.